Okay, all, and I've been working on my craft room. This is post baby shower cleanup, and I wish I would have shown you what this craft room looked like before I started. But I'm just gonna kind of give you an idea. I want to clean this craft room up. I haven't been able to do anything like that in the last couple of weeks, and I've got some things from Hobby Lobby. I want to show you what I got, but I just want to kind of go around and show you the mess as of right now. I've got all those flowers I've got to put away. That's a lot of extra candy left over from the shower that needs to go somewhere. It does not need to stay in here. Let's see, I've got to clean up all this, and I was tearing that wreath apart, needing pieces of it for the shower. And I've got I had boxes in here of all the things, but so far what I've done is I made a tote. Let me back up just a minute because I want to show you. I have totes that I have, like that one right there has everything, well, some things you could use in a wedding, so I just keep that kind of separate. Then I made another tote of baby decorations left that I have, and so I'll keep that and use it if we ever have another baby girl. And then those two totes are all the dishes and things like that, and drink thing that we used in the baby shower. And you can see all my flowers are missing off of this table. And where did I put those? This is a lot of them right here. I'm going to do something with. I've got to find some place to put those paper flowers that I took out of that vase. And yes, and so I've got to find some place for that helium tank and that balloon tank. Those two things came in so handy with the blowing up those balloons. But anyways, this is my mess, and I'm going to kind of show you what I do with these and get this place cleaned up, because it's looking pretty trashed. Okay, so I will check back with you in a few minutes. Okay, I kind of got my little porch cleaned up. Not really decorated, but I'm going to do a flower bed in here. I'm going to take the towel in and give my dog his bone. And so anyways, let me show you. I've got kind of cleaned up. Okay. And I like to hang my flower garland on the back of the door, keep it handy. And so I've got that there, and then of course this is my paper station, and I've got some pictures I've got to take into the house, and I'm going to do a Hobby Lobby little tour haul. And I'm working on some Easter things now that the baby shower's done. I loved doing the baby shower. Of course this is my station. That's more candy from the baby shower. And I just got that in the mail. And I got this kind of cleaned up. My husband's going to hang my TV up on the wall, so I'll have a little bit more space down here to put those beads, but I'm going to put it up here. I hung those paper flowers up here above the doorway. Also this summer, I've got to paint this room the same color as this room, the darker gray, so get it all one color. And so I think those look pretty good up there. And then I'll put this picture up here. Those are the night skies of the I think I showed this picture before of the night sky of the nights my daughters were born. So, and then in here, and this of course is a table that I have like lanterns and vases and things like that. I hung up this garland here, so it's easy accessible right there. Then of course I have all these flowers that I'll be using for Easter decorations. I left those out, though I use those in the baby shower, and I'll be probably use those again. And all these totes here will be put in storage. I have some of my fall things down there. I'm just going to keep those together. And then on my long table, I kind of moved my Cricut down a little bit. I'm thinking of, because I've got the Cricut, which is it? The Cricut Explorer 1. And I'm thinking of using, I think you can exchange it for a newer model, and I'm thinking of the Maker. So I'm going to maybe exchange that. I've got some tablecloths and some material things here that I brought from my other house. I've got all my things here for projects and things. These, I've got this and this box of glassware I have a idea to make, so I'll be showing that soon. And there's my little caddy that I made. And then I hung this piece up. Whoops. Sorry about that. I hung that up there. And of course that I just kind of straightened all this up. I stuck those helium and that air, that balloon pump over there in the corner. I've got some yarn here. I gotta start crocheting a baby blanket. I hung up some more garland right there for me to use, and I used this right here. I used that in the baby shower, so I left that hanging out so I can easily get it. I hung this up, this sign that says love. My sister-in-law made that for me, so I wanted to hang that up. And then I just kind of straightened up these shelves. I put some string down there, and then some like the filler that you use for flower vases. I'm going to straighten this up a little bit. Okay, and so I'll probably use some of those pieces for my Easter or my spring decorations. And then of course I've got these tall flowers that I put in that tall vase right there. And so this is, to me, this is organized. I know where everything is, and I'm planning on doing a video kind of like what's in my drawers, and I want to get out my label maker and label my drawers, so I'll be doing that too. And of course I've got my little heater. It still gets a little cool here at night, so I want to keep it on for a little bit, and then when it gets a little bit warmer, I've got my air conditioner up there. And so this is my craft room, and I feel a lot better about it. Cleaner. It's my husband's area out there that he's been working on, and so I'm happy. Well, thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. I've got that, I'm going out, like I've promised, to go out and get something for my 100th subscriber giveaway. And so, but I want it to be something special, and I need to stop procrastinating on that and get that together so I can do that. And I wish I could give everybody something, because y'all are just so special to me to watch my videos, and it means a lot to me, and I just I would like to be able to thank everybody, but I wouldn't be able to do that. So watch for that. It'll be soon. I didn't want y'all to think I forgot about that because it's on my mind all the time. I just want to find something really nice. So anyways, I will see you soon. You have a great weekend, and I'll be getting another video up soon. Thank you for watching.